Good morning student, Dr. S. Devi. Now we are going to discuss about one word question answer for Indian economy. Question: Indian economy is the dash economy. Answer: mixed economy. Question: Underdeveloped countries are earned dash income. Answer: low per capita income. What is the growth rate of GDP in 2019 to 2020? Answer: 4.2%. How much the population of India? Answer: 121 crores. What is the place of India in world population? Answer: second place. When did population policy came into effect? Answer: 2000. What is sex ratio? Answer: number of females per 1000 male. How many years once census was conducted? Answer: 10 years once. How many methods are used to measure the national income? Answer: 3 methods. Per capita income is dash. Answer: income per head. When real national income increases? Answer: quantity of goods and services increases. Expand the term GDP. Answer: gross domestic product. How much does the primary sector contributes to the India's GDP? Answer: 20%. Who was the father of Green Revolution in India? Answer: M.S. Swaminathan. Which sector is the largest contributing sector of the Indian economy? Answer: service sector. When did new industrial policy introduced? Answer: 1991. Expand the term SAIL. Answer: Steel Authority of India Limited. Where was the first cotton mill set up in India? Answer: Mumbai. When was the first 5-year plan started in India? Answer: 1951. What was the prime target of the first 5-year plan? Answer: development of agriculture. Who was the chairman of Planning Commission in India? Answer: Prime Minister. Planning Commission was replaced by the newly formed as dash. Answer: Niti Aayog. At present, how many members are in the WTO? Answer: 164 countries. Who is the governor of RBI? Answer: Shaktikanta Das. What is economic growth? Answer: the percentage increase in the real GDP. Foreign trade creates among the countries. Answer: cooperation. Where is located WTO headquarters? Answer: Geneva. Expand the term COT. Answer: General Agreements on Tariffs and Trade. Foreign trade refers to? Answer: trade between countries. Expand the term WTO. Answer: World Trade Organization. Thank you.